Want to make money on TikTok but having issues getting started? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll go over a few reasons why you might not be able to make money from TikTok's Creator Fund, and go over a few other ways you can make money on TikTok. Now let's get started. The main way people make money on TikTok is through the Creator Fund. This is funded by TikTok, where the app will pay creators based on views and engagement. There are a few reasons why you may or may not be eligible to earn money from this program. The current eligibility requirements for the TikTok Creator Fund are as follows. You must be based in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have at least 10,000 followers. You must have a minimum of 100,000 views in the last 30 days. And your account must meet TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. If you do not meet all of these requirements, you will not be able to earn money from the TikTok Creator Fund. We've heard that the locations where Creator Fund is available may be expanded in the future, but these are currently the eligible regions. If you are in an eligible country, wait till you're old enough, have enough followers and views, and make sure your account stays within TikTok's community guidelines, and you can apply for the Creator Fund once you meet all the requirements. If you're not eligible for the TikTok Creator Fund for any reason, there are still other ways you can make money using the TikTok app. Other ways to make money on TikTok include sponsorships, promoting or selling your own business's products, UGC, which is user-generated content, and affiliate marketing. If you're not eligible for TikTok's Creator Fund, you might have to get creative to make money on TikTok, but there are definitely other options out there. That covers all the reasons why you might not be able to make money from the TikTok Creator Fund, and a few other ways you can make money on TikTok even if you aren't eligible for that program. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.